guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Dee, and today we are going to be opening this Pokemon Surgeon Sparks Elite Trainer Box. We're going to do another one of these because I already did one in a previous video. So we're going to do another one of these and see what we pull, y'all. So let's get started, y'all. So let's open this. If I'm looking this way, guys, it's because I also have the camera over here rolling. Okay, so for you guys that don't know, it does come with this book, the player's guide, and it brings like all the cards and stuff that it has. We're gonna put that to the side. Set that to the side, y'all. Set that to the side. And hold on. Okay, so this is the player guide. I don't know if I showed you guys on the last video. I don't know if I showed you guys the last video, but this is what the inside looks like. I feel like it looks so nice. But anyways, let's get to this. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like, y'all. And we're gonna open the thing on the side. We're gonna open what's inside real quick. We're not gonna open this, but this is what it comes with. Also, it comes with these energy cards. These are all energy cards, so we're not gonna open those. And these are the sleeves. This is what the sleeves look like. I'm gonna put that to the side. Put all of this to the side real quick. This is what we're gonna be opening, y'all. All of these. And they do come, I think, with 9 boosters, I think. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. 9 booster packs. And the promo card. I'm going to show you guys the promo card. That's what the promo card looks like. Focus. That's what it looks like, y'all. Okay. Let's get started in the first pack. First pack. Put that to the side.
Or this guy.
Who's that?
I forget the name.
Okay, so these are the ones that it brings, the first pack. We're trying to look for a hit, guys. Holographic and energy. Next pack. Oh my god, if I could get it out. For some reason, we're struggling a little bit. Okay. This is cute. Cutesies. All I heard was the cat and the energy in that. Nothing. Okay, next one, y'all. Third pack. Let's see. So far, no full art, guys. Oh, focus. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Wait, that's the one that you said, right? This one. That's the one from this one, guys. Let's go. I like that. Okay. Put that to the side. Let's put these away.
Yeah, it's hot.
Mm-hmm.
All orange background, like blonde.
Oh, really? All right, let's do this one. I never saw that one either. That one's nice. We need to put that on the sleeve. We'll do it last. I'll do that last. It's nice. Okay. And that's it. This is pack number what? Pack number 5, y'all. Pack number 5. I'm struggling opening these cards today. We got his card before. And this holographic one. I'm struggling putting them in. Okay, next pack, next pack.
I think I still have the open sleeves from the other one. Use those first.
Yeah, we could use those. Okay. That's what you said last time. And we got that Pikachu hat. What you guys think I'm gonna pull, y'all? Comment down below to see what you guys think.
Pikachu.
You guys think I'm gonna pull on this one. That's the next one.
Oh, yeah. Pikachu.
Oh, this is nice. I like this card. Gogging Fire. Gogging Fire. Gogging Fire. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, y'all. But yeah, Gogging Fire, I believe it's pronounced. Yep, that's the last one. You could put that one to the side. I like that one. We could put it on the sleeve. Yeah, we're putting that to the side too. All right. You guys comment down below already what y'all think I pulled on this. I'm not gonna pull like a full art or what? Full art or what? I can tell my husband to put those in a sleeve for me so I can show you guys at the end. Okay. Ooh, this is nice. We got another full art. That's nice. We're putting that to the side. Right. You guys think what you guys think I'm gonna pull on this one? Comment down below. I'm gonna give y'all 2 seconds. 1, 2. Okay, let's go. Okay. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay. Okay. Oh my God, this is so nice. I don't know if it's like a really good card or not, but it's a really nice card, and I'm gonna put it on the sleeve, y'all. And then we'll just figure everything out. Last pack, y'all. Last pack, last pack, last pack. Come on, baby. Give me something nice. Give me something nice. Give me something nice. All right. Babe, what you think? You think? What you think? What you think?
Some nice art on the card. Real colorful.
Yeah, right? Oh, we got two of them. This one is like, it has the thing, the art in the back. Ah, nothing big, y'all. All right, so in this box, we pulled this one.
Nice.
Right? That's what I said. Okay. Pulled this full art one. We pulled this one. I really like this right here. It really looks nice. And this one, y'all. So I'm going to be putting them on the sleeves. Let's put them on the sleeves now. Real quick. We're going to use the sleeves for this, but we also have other sleeves and like the hard top loaders that we use for those. I think we're going to have to buy more though. We're going to need to get more. All right, so that's the first one. Second one. Fourth one. Excuse me, y'all. And this one. I'll show you guys again. There. Okay, you guys, so that's all the pulls we got today. We got 4 pulls. But yeah, like I said on the video, I am going to be using the Rare Candy app just to see how much the cards are worth. And yeah, we'll go from there, y'all. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell button, and comment down below if you guys want to see more videos, and if y'all want to see more videos with my husband in it as well, because he does like to do this as well. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.